Dry fruits name: almond, apricot, betel nut, cashew nut, chorwali, chestnut, coconut, dates, fennel, fig, foxnuts, peanuts, pine nut, pistachio, poppy seeds, ponies, pumpkin seeds, raisin, saffron, sesame seeds, walnut, watermelon seeds. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.